iOS 27 Developer Beta 2 review after 7 days of usage on my iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's get started. I'll start with the battery life I was getting in iOS 27 Developer Beta 2. So, surprisingly, it is lower than iOS Beta 1, around half an hour, if not more, in some days. System data used is around 16.51 gigabytes, and iOS is using 15.79 gigabytes, a little bit more than the beta one. And the battery health is still at 100% with 225 cycle count. Wi-Fi got disconnected very few times when the phone was in standby mode. I hope this gets fixed in the upcoming public beta of iOS 27. At times there is slowdown when we go back from the control center. I noticed some slowdown in the spotlight search, especially when we pull down to bring spotlight search. Few days ago, I was trying to delete my website data of Safari, but it was kept on reloading. After restarting my iPhone, the issue got fixed. When I was trying to download Facebook, it got stuck in the download loop. After restarting my iPhone, the issue got fixed. I hope this gets fixed in the public beta release of iOS 27. Sometimes the keyboard takes a while to open up, and when that happens, I have missed initial key presses. When we copy a text, we can directly paste it from the keyboard by one tap. Comes in very handy. We have new user interface for the switch off menu. Now it is easy to enter our passcode because the passcode UI has shifted down a bit. We can access accessibility settings from the settings of a particular setting itself. So when we go to Siri, there is a accessibility setting option directly. The performance overall is quite good, but when I use clear icons, I have noticed some stutters, and I have not noticed any unusual heating compared to the beta 1 release of iOS 27. And so far, it is slightly more stable than the iOS 27 developer beta 1. In iOS 27 developer beta 2, we got new firmware for the modem, and I have not faced any issues with the network reception on my iPhone 16 Pro Max so far. I would suggest you to wait for the public beta release of iOS 27, which will be released in 2 to 3 weeks. If you liked this video, please drop a like, leave a comment mentioning which iOS version you are using, and subscribe to my channel. Peace.